What's up, guys? Welcome back to Crazy Little Man 771 Mini Drum Mondays. I just had to get on the big drums today. Gotta play every once in a while. Let's get out to the garage and see what I'm working on here. Rainy day over here in Ohio. Oh. Bam. All right. So, good news. I have the hardware coming along for the drums. Let me show you how I got them sitting there. All right, so down in here, basically, all I did was twist together some metal, some that 12 gauge wire, and I put it in a circle, basically at the bottom to where I can put a bolt through, and I have a nut on the other side that holds it on to the board. But right now I can just move that, and it barely moves at all. And that's the best part. I mean, I still get some wobble, but it's still a really solid piece. Now here's the other couple parts. So right here essentially is where I have the hardware for the tom. So all I did was I bent a longer bolt to where I could still use the nuts mostly through that, and I have a couple lock washers there, and then that goes up inside of the tom. But so far, super solid, and it's working really well. There's the rest of the snare drum that I have tied down. So I have it tied down in 2 places. I don't need to do all 3. But now, for the rest of this video, what I want to show you is me getting this one together. I need to put this one on right there. So it's going to be somewhere about right there. So let's knock this out. All right, so first things first, I got to cut some wire. Then twist it into a circle in the middle. Then grab it with some pliers and start twisting. Once I have it low enough or have enough on there, I can tighten it down with my vise. Now I can keep twisting. What goes inside the drum. I can cut off the excess. So I drill a couple holes in that. Holes right there. Now I can fit them right in the holes. And then I can bend them down where they hold on nicely. Alright, so there's that one. Pretty solid. Alright, so again, we need 2 more.
Okay guys, so I decided to go with this method of turning these wires because I needed a way to attach the leg to the stand. But also, I needed 2 points of connection on the drum. Unfortunately, because of the rims sticking out so much further than the actual drum itself, I was not able to choose a method that I thought would work well enough. So I think these are okay. They're not my ideal look, but I think they're permanent enough to where they'll do the job.
That one? Now one more. we go. Let's go attach it. All right, I think that looks good. It's right in line with the snare drum. I don't want that thing to slip away like that anymore, so I am going to attach it to the wood. All right, so now I am adding my bolt under the bottom. You guys should see under the bottom. I'm going to show you under there in a second. Now that I have these on there, this little drum only needs those 2 spots, and it's not going to go anywhere. There we go. Check it out. Not moving anywhere. Bam. All right, that's it for this episode this week, guys. It's a simple week. I just wanted to get the hardware done for the drums. We've got to do a lot more cymbal hardware. That's going to be a tough project because essentially I have to make them very solid, and I've been struggling with that process. Here's kind of 1 1/2. This is what I had basically last week. It's just, right now it looks like kind of an X-Wing fighter right now. So maybe I'll have it done by next week, hopefully, but after that, we get to paint. We get to put everything together, we get to paint. We're literally going to be done after that. So, thanks for holding on with me. Guys, this Mini Drum Monday series is almost over. So, give me some ideas for what you want me to do next, and we'll see what I can come up with, but I would love to know what your suggestions are. Thank you for following along. If you feel like this video deserves it, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to see more of the videos coming up. But other than that, thank you very much for watching. I will see you on the next Mini Drum Monday. God bless you all.